Hi, I'm Ryan Kephart here with Yuneec. I'm the product manager. And I'd like to show you guys a little bit about our newest products at CES 2018. Today I want to show you the HD Racer. This is our first intro into the racing market. However, it's not just a racing market, it's also a beginner's market as well. This is a perfect interlude to get into those higher end drones. Teaches you the core fundamentals of flight. This thing boasts a 1080p camera that will record at 60 frames per second on board, so that way you could record your video as well as have a 720p downlink into either your digitally through your phone or through some goggle sets. On top of that, it's got a replaceable battery, so it'll give you about 6 minutes per battery. You can just simply slide one out, slide a new one in, and you can continue on racing. One of the cooler features about this product is if you're flying around and you're racing with your friends and one of you crashes and it flips upside down, you can hit a button, it has a flip up mode, and it'll just self-right itself and you can continue on racing with the pack. The HD Racer will come with your transmitter as well as the set of goggles that your phone will slide into. What's cool about this transmitter is the barometric pressure sensor on here. You get a self-centering stick so the aircraft will stay nice and level throughout the flight. On top of that, you have the ability to shoot stills with it, record video, and change modes between beginner all the way up to full advanced where you're rocking and rolling. Being such a small drone and that the propellers are fully protected, it's perfect for indoor flights as well as going throughout your living room. You can take it outdoors, and they're really durable. You can really crash them into a lot of things, pick it right back up, and throw it in the air. The starting price of this one is around $179. It should be available somewhere around May or June of this year.